Okay, let's do this. I want to simplify healing and manifestation for you because truly it is not complicated. It only requires your willingness to show up for yourself every single day and your willingness to change. So, this is going to be a 3-part series, and this is part 1. And today we're going to be talking about the first step to healing and manifesting. And the first step is becoming aware. Becoming aware of who you are, why you are the way you are, why you think certain things, understanding your belief systems, how do you see yourself, and how do you view the world. So let's take relationships as an example because I get questions about relationships all the time in my comment section, and this is mostly what I teach. But if you have become aware, for example, that you keep attracting the same partners in different bodies, then you know you have a pattern. So your job now, once you're aware, is to list out all the beliefs you have about relationships, about men or women, and about yourself in relationships. Free writing is really underrated. It's so important in this first step because there's something magical that happens truly when you put pen to paper. Your subconscious mind starts to release things you never even knew was within yourself. And some people call this brain dumping, but just know that this is not an opportunity for you to feel bad about yourself or to judge yourself or to blame yourself. This is purely to understand yourself. You are in the awareness stage. This is where we decide to unlearn things that are not serving us. If we believe all men cheat, then maybe the men in our lives will keep on cheating. If we believe that we're not good enough, then maybe we will always be shown that in our relationships. If we believe that we have to look a certain way before we find love, then we will never take the necessary actions to find love before we reach that specific goal. Because your beliefs determine your actions. If you believe you're bad at relationships, you will not even bother putting yourself out there because you've probably decided, what's the point? Why should I even bother? I'm gonna fail anyway. So do you see how your internal beliefs can affect your external reality? So part 1 is really just becoming the observer of you, not judging or blaming yourself, even though in my experience and also working with other people, those emotions can come up. Guilt and shame can come up in this stage because it's that awakening stage where you're like, oh my God, how have I been living this way on autopilot for so long? But I can tell you that blaming and judging yourself will get you nowhere. It will only keep you stuck. So remind yourself that your beliefs are not facts. It's okay that you've been conditioned a certain way. It's normal. You're not broken and you can change. And also realize that this step is just the beginning. It's not enough to just know and be aware of what needs to change because you have to take action to change yourself. Change does not just magically happen. You have to become a willing and active participant in your healing journey. So whip out your journal right now, do a brain dump, let it all out, ask yourself the tough questions, question your beliefs. When you question your beliefs, they no longer have power over you. Just know that change is possible no matter how old you are. We've learned that our brain is capable of change. This is what neuroscience is. And if you want extra support, you can join my courses at the link in the bio. I have one to heal heartbreak with tapping. I have a tapping bundle called Magnetic Love Goddess to release negative relationship patterns. And I also have my signature program, Become Magnetic, that will teach you this exact formula that I'm going to share to manifest anything and everything you desire. All of that linked below if you're on YouTube or at the top of my page on TikTok. So the next part of this series is really important because it's all about the process of rewiring your beliefs. So make sure you follow my page right now so you know when part 2 comes out. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.